This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bobby.lawrence. Beautifully maintained and maintenance-free cape within close proximity to AJU, naval bases, interstate access. Refinished hardwood floors. New carpet, 2019. New 2Z heat pump 2019. Kitchen with granite countertops, new refrigerator and dishwasher. Walk-in utility room. Recent sliders from dining room leads to recent 12 by 16 deck. Low E windows. Woodshed, 6 by 8, and driveway 2019. Architectural roof, screened porch. No flood insurance required. For more information, review the details below.